Y'all want to go back up there? They gonna call the police. So we can either go today or tomorrow. They gonna call the police.
Put my quarters up, Mama.
They gonna call the police.
We'll go set my quarters real quick. Put these naked girls up. One of them had a 10. They was wrong. Got the nerve to say, girl, you got a 10.
Y'all want to go back up there tonight?
Let's go, yo.
They gonna call the police.
Okay,
The
dog.
police gonna be right out there.
Oh, how much is that big?
I don't believe this price.
Y'all want to go up there? Huh?
Sure, why not? While it's still here.
I'm gonna call the carrier. And then we got a carrier.
What's that?
My chest hurt. And my back ache. For 16 years of holding the
We'll go put my quarters up.
Oh.
Wow.
Go put your quarters up. It's too many of them.
She wrong. Who is she? You need to stop. One at the top.
Y'all done lied to me. Y'all done lied. Y'all done lied. And put all the breadsticks up in that one like it look like it's the breadsticks, but y'all done ate all the cinnamon
You
sticks.
see some toast came with it?
You can look at the
Yeah.
order. It ain't no cinnamon sticks.
Y'all done ate the damn cinnamon sticks. I see the cinnamon sticks on the damn picture.
But on the receipt, it's got swapped out for breadsticks. Both of them.
Wow.
We want to go eat cinnamon sticks.
Somebody got some cinnamon sticks because I seen some,
They only put the sauce in there. I don't know why.
I don't eat cinnamon sticks either. They nasty. I don't eat pizza Hut anyway.
I never had a piece of cinnamon sticks, so I wouldn't even know.
somebody made some damn cinnamon sticks.
I don't eat pizza Hut. I ain't touched that pizza.